The Params modifier. The Params modifier allows a method to accept any number of arguments of a specific type if it is applied to the last parameter. The parameter type must be declared as an array, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's create our own concat method. Let's create static string custom concat that accepts params of string, and we will call them parameters or strs. Let's do parameters. Let's do strings. We created a static method which doesn't have to be instantiated. It returns type string. It accepts parameters, array of strings, and we called it strings. Let's do just a quick result variable, bar result equals string empty, and we will return it at the end. So the compiler doesn't give us exceptions. Okay, so what do we want to do? We want to take anything, any params that goes into our custom concat function, and we want to concatenate them and return as a string. So we do for int I equals 0, I is less than strings dot length I plus plus. We do create a variable int equals to 0 if I is less than strings dot length I plus plus. So we will be iterating until there's no elements in the past array. So we do result or block, let's even do, because there will be only one line of code. So that will be, we want to take our result and result plus strings of I and plus white space. So that's it. So we can create var res equals to custom concat, and let's do what an amazing day it is. So we passed into this custom concat functions any amount of arguments. And let's see. Console.write line res. Oh, I made a mistake. One moment. It's not the equals, but equals plus result plus .NET run. Okay, now it gives us the resulting string, which is what an amazing day. And as you can see, we passed it as string of args. So that is, we can actually simply do it like this way. New string. That will be the same thing if we run it again. Same result. Okay, let's try to pass nothing inside here and see what it returns us. Res. Let's do res.length. Okay, so if we don't pass anything, it should create an empty array. Okay, it gives us the 0 because the array is empty. All right, let's try to pass something after that params of strings, because if we pass something, the params should be the last argument in the last parameter in the function, because if we add something before int x, let's do int x, that's okay, it's gonna accept it. But if we pass something at the end, which is int x, it will give us an error. Let's see what the error. A params parameter must be the last parameter in a parameter list. So that means we can place something before params keyword, but nothing after. So it should be the last parameter.